Kalian orang pintar atau kalian orang yang tidak pintar? Apakah bumi itu bulat atau bumi itu datar seperti pizza, seperti donat? Well, kita nggak perlu jadi orang yang pintar, kita cukup jadi orang yang tidak bodoh aja ya, untuk bisa jawab pertanyaan yang tadi, bumi itu bulat atau datar. Oke, kita kali ini bakal nge-react video dari Jubail atau Jubile, aku nggak tahu pronounce-nya gimana, tapi yang jelas aku udah deep down ke so-called flat earth ini, komunitas flat earth. Aku udah deep down ke rabbit hole-nya, dan emang bukti dan logik mereka tuh patut dipertanyakan. Bukannya aku jadi tidak pun aku jadi condescending. Oke. Aku ngerasa yang mereka cuma bisa lakuin tuh cuma bisa nih dikasih, mereka basically kita kasih bukti. Mereka minta bukti, mana nih bukti bumi itu bundar atau sphere, okay? Globe, oke. Kasih bukti nih, kasih bukti. Enggak, bohong, itu bohong. Basically itu semuanya itu, dan banyak banget yang kayaknya mereka nggak bisa jelasin gitu, kayak adanya musim, kita ngelihat bintang yang berbeda, space, semuanya banyak banget. Ibaratkan kalau ada film atau series atau anime, ini plot hole-nya banyak banget. Jadi ya gitu dah, patut dipertanyakan. Jadi aku penasaran banget karena dari semua rabbit hole yang udah aku kunjungi itu argumennya selalu seperti itu, oke? Selalu kebohongan, selalu kita ini dibohongi, kita ini didustai, kita ini salah, saintis salah, oke? Beribu-ribu tahun sains kita kembangin histori manusia itu salah, mereka yang benar karena mereka sudah lihat postingan Facebook atau postingan video YouTube tentang bumi itu datar. Dan ya itu sih yang agak menyedihkan, karena Newton siapa anjir, bohong. Einstein, bohong. Galilei, bohong. Kayak histori sains manusia itu cuma dibilang bukan, salah, bohong gitu, kayak menghapus semuanya gitu. Jadi aku penasaran ini apakah ini bakalan jadi argumen yang berbeda atau enggak. Jadi ayo kita langsung aja lihat ya. Aku juga penasaran bagaimana respon saintisnya terhadap makhluk-makhluk yang bisa kita bilang flat earther ini, earther. Globe tim mana? Angkat tangan. Apa itu anjir? Globe.
I don't think. I know for a fact it's a globe.
The Earth is flat.
It's like we have this picture of reality that's a big puzzle piece, and then one of those pieces just wasn't fitting.
I'm always open to having a discussion with someone who is holding a wrong belief like this.
Are you willing to change your mind on this?
I'm not. The evidence is so much.
Nobody wants to be a flat earther, but if you showed me incontrovertible evidence, I would definitely go back.
Dari awal aja kayak kelihatan itu lah. Ini nih mindsetnya saintisnya aja beda, kayak nggak masalah apa yang mereka pikir. Mereka cuma berusaha membuktikan, dan basically itu sains kan. Kita berusaha mencari kebenaran. Apapun yang kita pikir itu nggak akan ngaruh, karena kebenaran itu ya itu sains, oke? Boom. Berani beda.
Wants
Mantap.
to ridicule.
Where do you hope you get from the discussion with the other side?
I'd like to tear them to pieces.
I like to tear them to pieces, bitch. Okay.
I'm Jim Underdown, Executive Director of the Center for Inquiry West in Los Angeles and the Chair of the CFI Investigations Group.
I'm Spencer Marks, one of the senior members of the CFI Investigations Group, Science Advocate.
I'm Mali Nayeri. I'm a theoretical physicist, and I'm with the University of Irvine.
I'm Wendell Walton. I'm a Chief Learning Officer for a young startup.
I'm Shelley Lewis. I'm a graduate of West Point, critical thinker, and
Saintisnya semuanya ya anjir. Oke. Pekerjaan ini nggak bermaksud disrespect, oke? Anda siapa? Profesor? Saintis? Enggak, kalah sama critical thinker, guys. Percuma belajar, percuma kuliah 20 tahun, percuma mendalami sains 20 tahun, cuma jadi critical thinker, bro. Hidup kok susah anjir, tinggal jadi critical thinker, boom. Kita cuma berpikir kritis, teman-teman.
Jumped out of the airplanes.
My name is Dan Glattman. I work as Dan the Waterman in the drinking water filtration industry, and I'm a truth seeker.
I get my flat
See?
earthers on the left and my globe.
Saintis apa nggak ada, yang kita cari itu truth seeker, oke, critical thinker, oke, self proclaim, oke.
This is true for you. I believe the earth was created by a higher power.
Well, I've been a Christian for 30 years, so the Bible is a flat earth book. You have to take it literally. Like, for example, in Isaiah, when it talks about how the earth is like a clay wax seal that's stamped with upturned edges, that's just not some fancy story. That's a simile. It is like.
Right? Absolutely. And in Isaiah talks about too, and I'm a Christian, he who sits upon the circle of the earth. There's a difference between a circle and a ball.
Well, exactly.
Yeah.
If you look at the original Hebrew, it means disc. There's over 200 scriptures in the Bible that point to a flat earth.
Oke, aku nggak tahu. Yang jelas aku emang tahu ada
So this
reference
notion
Bible,
that
cuma
you
aku
need God or some higher
nggak baca Bible,
power
jadi nggak
to
bisa.
create the earth or the universe is very old, and was initially posited by people of a pre-scientific age. Since then, we have learned quite a bit about the universe coming into existence, when that happened. Modern humans don't get their cosmology, they don't get their physics, they don't get their knowledge of the universe from the Bible or any ancient text.
It's sort of like the God of the gaps. Once, people used to believe that lightning was God's wrath and throwing these lightning bolts, but once we understood it was a natural process, God shrank a little bit more, because now we couldn't attribute those lightning bolts to God. We had to attribute that to the real science. The other thing, the point about the Bible specifically for me is, why is that one particular text the correct one? You choose to believe that, and that's fine, but there's so many other writings and so many other books, so why weren't they correct? Why is just the Bible correct?
Oh, itu poin yang bagus sih. Tapi aku mau ngomong yang sebelumnya. Iya sih, mungkin zaman dulu karena banyak hal yang belum bisa dijelaskan, kayak orang-orang mengkoneksikan itu dengan adanya Tuhan atau ya ada higher power gitu. Tapi ya itu terserah orang, itu beliefnya orang. Cuma kalau bedanya sekarang kan lebih bisa dijelaskan. Jadi kayak yang kayak dia bilang tadi, adanya sosok greater power gitu agak ngefade ya, makanya banyak yang ateis, saintis, karena mereka yang benar-benar mencari kebenaran ya. Mungkin mereka menyimpulkan ada atau tidak adanya Tuhan dari situ, tapi ya itu terserah mereka. Itu sekali lagi itu kan belief ya, kepercayaan dari masing-masing gitu, jadi terserah mereka. Tapi banyak juga kok saintis yang punya kepercayaan juga. Oke.
Well, what you'll find in a lot of these ancient religions is they're all flat earth religions. All their cosmology goes back to being a flat earth with an enclosed system. So it's not just the Bible that teaches this. It's many different religious books.
So one problem I have is to trying to explain phenomena happen in nature by holy books. Those are religious books. Those are not books of science. And it is wrong to infer or deduct scientific readings out of those books.
Good point. Okay.
My name is Wendell. I am a logical, biblically based, and scientific.
Scientific, okay.
I didn't start out, and no one starts out as a
Self-proclaimed,
flat
guys.
earther,
Let's go.
But I had a lot of questions. So I actually got to the point where I had to go out and put my own eyeballs on it. So we went out to an observation at Salton Sea, and things just didn't add up down there. So we've gone back probably a dozen times, and I can guarantee you that there is no curvature over distance.
Itu yang aku nggak suka, mereka tuh kayak aku ngelihat kayak nggak ada bulatnya, nggak ada belokan, jadi bumi itu nggak bulat dong, nggak gitu kan. Orang-orang tuh kadang menyepelekan seberapa besar bumi itu ya. Kalau nggak salah bumi itu 7.000 miles, itu berapa kilometer ya? Besar banget, bumi itu besar banget. Jadi ibaratkan kamu cuma nge-cover 60 miles dari situ, itu nggak ada apa-apanya gitu loh dibandingkan diameter bumi. Jadi ya nggak akan kelihatan kecuali kamu bisa ngeliat dari jauh, dan itu agak susah kan karena field of view kita pendek gitu, kayak cuma bisa nangkep seberapa pendek doang gitu kan. Jadi nggak bisa dari faktor itu aja gitu. Banyak banget faktor yang nggak secepat itu mengambil kesimpulan gitu loh istilahnya. Oke.
The internet has played an important role in confirming my view of this topic.
That's the problem.
Well, that's the problem. Ya sih benar sih. Oke, kita juga nyari kebenaran lewat internetnya. Cuma kita sekali lagi dia kan yang perempuan itu self proclaimed critical thinker ya. Ya berpikir kritis juga dari source yang Anda cari gitu loh. Kayak nggak cuma nonton video dan doang. Kayak belajar sains dan historinya juga gitu loh. Tadi kita lihat aja.
We have the advantage of information today that's outside of channels 2, 4, and 7 and the few networks that are corporately owned. It's pretty easy to say YouTube isn't research, but when you spend enough time...
There you go. Udah kan? YouTube bukan research, oke? Research tuh nggak mungkin bisa, cuma kayak harus reliable source gitu loh, ya kan? Dan aku yakin dia resource-nya dia juga yang agak questionable gitu masalah flat earth, oke? Dan ya itu dia bilang sendiri kan, bukan research, oke? Dah, boom, selesai kan masalah, oke?
Time you're picking up quite a bit, and with the discussion groups, panels, we've gone against opposition, we've opposed ourselves. Surprisingly enough, flat earth is its own worst enemy. So it's not that easy for us to come to consensus, and we find that consensus is orchestrated and not actually scientific in any way.
You know, my grandfather used to tell me growing up, never believe anything you read in the newspaper, right? He
There
told
you
that
go.
to me.
Okay.
Now,
And
with
then-
the age of the internet, it's like, you know, how much of this misinformation are you getting there? And when you have like eyewitnesses taking video of something, you do have to take everything with a grain of salt. That's why, because of my my multimedia background, I knew that all that stuff could be faked. You know, take it into Photoshop, take it into After Effects.
Tapi harus dua arah anjir. Yang mereka bilang fake itu bukti kita, sedangkan bukti mereka itu cuma kayak apa yang mereka lihat, itu yang mereka tahu gitu. Mereka nggak deeper gitu. Lanjut
Okay,
lanjut
this is
teman-teman.
at the core of the issue of why there are so many flat earth believers out there right now. The problem is the information from someone who decides to start a website or produce a YouTube video is not reliable. When I have a toothache, I go to a dentist. When my car breaks down, I go to a mechanic.
Boom.
When you have questions about cosmology, you should go to an astrophysicist, you should go to a physicist, you should go to people who have spent years and years studying these ideas.
Senyum
Not some
maniaknya keluar,
6-minute
guys.
YouTube.
Ya cuma karena nggak setuju sama apa yang dia lihat bukan berarti itu salah gitu. Sains itu kebenaran gitu, kayak yang aku bilang kan, sains itu kebenaran, nggak peduli apa yang kamu pikir, nggak peduli apa yang kamu rasain, ya itu kebenarannya gitu. Terus yang poinnya dia banyak orang-orang yang nggak setuju sama sains, terus mereka nyari sesuatu yang lain gitu.
One of the things
Itu
I
yang aku
will
tangkap
say
sekarang, ya.
is NASA.gov has their own documents out there that we get to vet, which is through the Freedom of Information Act. And would you agree that NASA documents, if they're on display, that we should be able to go and research inside there?
NASA is not proving that the earth is flat.
Well, they say it in 14 of the
you
documents.
should read what NASA says, and you should listen to what
I
NASA
would
says.
love to see your NASA evidence that the earth is
It's
flat.
only their contradictory issues
Okay,
that
let's
bring
see.
us here.
We're all familiar with the Earthrise photo, right? The Earth is rising over the moon. We're all familiar with it. That's NASA. You can go out to NASA's site. You can download the original, right?
I already know what you're going to ask.
So you bring up the luminance on it, and you can see where it's cut out and pasted there.
They're showing us doctored images that are clearly doctored. The blue marble is a very famous image from 1972. When you talk to the artist from NASA, his name is Robert Simmons, he talks about exactly how it was created from data, and it's not a photograph whatsoever. He added
what?
clouds.
Let me explain.
He added
Hold
a
on.
highlight of the
if
sun.
you take, you know, on your phone, most phones have that panoramic image. When you do that, you're taking a series of pictures, and the phone cleverly stitches
I'm
that
just saying
together.
how it's
Hold on.
presented. It's
Hold on.
presented as a real
So when
photograph.
NASA takes real photos and they either clean them up for color or they stitch them together so it's one large image, it doesn't mean they're CGI.
You're talking about composites.
Maksudnya itu, oke kan, kan nggak mungkin gitu. Zaman dulu kameramen, ya kan, kameramen keluar ngefoto bumi dan jauh, boom kan. Maksudnya itu NASA itu ngumpulin foto dari semua satelit, oke, ngumpulin foto dari semua satelit, terus dijadiin satu kan, dirangkai untuk jadi satu foto yang besar itu. Bukan berarti semuanya CGI dan palsu. Gila sih, oke, ini beyond insanity sih.
I'm what you call a globe denier.
Self-proclaim.
You could even get me into a virtual construct if I can't find the borders myself.
What shape would you say you think the Earth is?
It appears to me to be a stationary plane, as opposed to the vastness of infinity of space. I would find it to be an ice plane where we have a localized sun and our environment thrives there. These particular people have misled us on television. This is a brilliant opportunity to speak. We've been suppressed, censored by mainstream media. Alternative media is just a thing of beauty for me.
I view the other side as uneducated.
I'm running.
They think we are
I'm
uneducated.
running for this.
Well, they certainly think they're educated.
And they're following quite a bit of the university system, what we call scientism.
No,
Right, scientists.
Obviously, is the belief in what's written, where we tend to be exploring in the field with physical properties, not theories of any kind. We're using actual measurements that are calculated not by our guidelines, but the guidelines of science as we know it. I can only hope they're uneducated as opposed to disingenuous.
Well, that's the other thing too, because we know that it was on a large scale, the government has been disingenuous, and they're pushing a narrative, right?
No. Bro, masalah edukasi atau enggak? Oke, bentar. Ini para saintisnya ini, mereka udah ngabisin hidup, hampir seluruh hidupnya untuk di bidang ini, oke. Terus mereka ngatain saintis ini uneducated, bro. Aduh kacau sih. Berarti mereka yang udah lihat video TikTok atau video Facebook, video YouTube yang 8 menit, mungkin yang 1 jam, itu udah educated. Oke. Anjir, itu parah sih. Masalah scientism ini juga aku udah deep down ke rabbit hole. Mereka emang sering bilang scientism ini aku nggak ngerti argumennya. Iya, emang pemerintah bohong. Tapi bukan berarti bumi itu datar. Kenapa? Buat apa? Gitu kan? Nggak ada hubungannya. Beneran. Gila sih. Ini gasp memang sih. Gasp moment sih. Gila. Speechless teman-teman. Speechless. Gila.
I don't think you guys are uneducated. I think you're wrongly educated.
I think
Boom. Anjir, itu base banget sih jawabannya anjir. Base banget anjir.
the problem with
Kurang apa
what
coba?
I've seen in the flat earth crowd is that it's not
By the way, kurang humble apa coba? Mereka yang ku bilang tadi, ngabisin hampir seumur hidupnya mempelajari bidang ini. Terus mereka juga nggak asal mikir sisi lain itu nggak berpendidikan, enggak kan? Mereka nggak segitunya gitu loh. Tapi sisi yang lain mereka mikir saintis ini uneducated. Aduh, gila sih. Ini emang ignorant at best ya, oke teman-teman.
they're undereducated, but they, instead of looking at evidence and letting the evidence guide to where the ultimate conclusion is, they start with a conclusion and then they try to cherry pick evidence to support their pre-drawn conclusion. They cast away all the bits of evidence that actually is contrary to their belief system.
I think that you're very well educated as well as you are, Jim.
Certainly Ali is. He's
and-
probably got the best
he-
education of
yeah,
all of us.
Exactly, and he paid for it too. But more and more professionals are coming on
Apa
board
maksudnya?
starting to question their reality. So the thing of it is once you start to really take a hard look at the evidence, and you are unafraid of just standing for the truth wherever that may lead you, then people end up becoming flat earthers.
Masalahnya bukti yang Anda lihat itu cuma bukti yang Anda lihat gitu loh, bukan bukti yang
I'm
Anda.
hoping to be able to tell our side of the story from the inside out. So many times, flat earthers are depicted from the outside in, and I want to be able to share with others empirical data that proves the earth is not what we've been told.
I changed my mind at some point about this topic.
So when I was 12 years old, I went to space camp, and I met Alan B. Shepard.
Oh, nice.
Yep, and I wanted to be an astronaut, and I wanted to be the first woman to walk the moon. So For me, I'm a glober. I went into this completely wanting it to be true. And my husband told me, he saw this thing about the fake moon landing. And I was like, you're absolutely crazy. There's no way that the moon landings are fake. And then in 2010, my husband was killed. And so I never really developed that until around 2014 when Flat Earth kind of came back up. And that little voice inside my head said, remember the fake moon landings? Remember when that was brought to my attention? And then I started really critically analyzing that. And I would say, just looking at that evidence, if they can lie about the moon landings, they can certainly lie about pictures and satellites and other things. And so I started going down that rabbit hole of studying. So that was my influence from
How
my
many
husband.
lies does it take to make a liar, right?
Gak ada hubungannya sih sama bentuk bumi, masalah dibohong atau enggak. Dan ya itu banyak banget sih argumennya kalau ini pemerintah bohong, moon landing fake, oke, ini fake. Gak ada hubungannya sama bentuk bumi gitu. Bentuk bumi itu bisa dibuktikan, ada kalkulasinya, udah 2500 tahun manusia itu, sains itu membuktikan kalau bumi itu bulat gitu. Jadi gak ada hubungannya bohong atau enggak, kebenarannya itu ada gitu loh. Mereka cuma gak mau ngeliat doang sih, itu menurut aku. Mereka terlalu ignorant lah.
Ridiculed for being inquisitive is pretty tough on us. I wouldn't say that I've changed my mind because my mind isn't set. NASA is solely designed to change my mind. It is, from its inception, from its discovery, has been a television program, it's been a space program to sell us on something that they've yet to actually show us. Show me a globe spinning with clouds.
Udah, terus dibilang fake.
And I
Dibilang
think I
fake.
could shut up quite
Udah.
I mean, easily. I think I could shut up.
Dikasih foto kan, ya, dikasih foto,
The timing
bilang
of
fake
your
yang tadi.
conversions
Ya.
is interesting to me. 20 years ago, the flat Earth world was tiny and insignificant.
Dan
Enter
sekarang
the
juga masih sih.
advent of the internet, YouTube, online discussion groups, all these new available places where you could find information about everything.
This is true that the evidence as you looked were not robust evidence. And the sources you used, they were not reliable sources again. But my problem is that, and I like you guys that you are very skeptical, but at the same time, you are not skeptical about your belief system.
You
That
keep
should have
going
come
back.
first.
Boom. Bener. Mereka tuh skeptik masalah bumi itu bulat, bukti bumi itu bulat. Mereka selalu skeptik terhadap itu. Tapi mereka nggak pernah skeptik sama apa yang mereka lihat sendiri. Dan apa yang mereka lihat sendiri itu buktinya cuma kayak, kenapa nggak ada belokan nih? Aku ngeliat dari mana-mana nggak ada belokan ya. Kok bisa skeptik itu terhadap bumi itu bulat, tapi nggak skeptik sama point of view-nya mereka sendiri. Dia yang bilang sendiri kan, mereka kritikal, dia critical thinker. Itu nggak critical thinker, namanya Mbak.
I think that that's my foundation for why I believe the Earth is flat, and I'm telling you, you're wrong. I have evidence that proves
Okay.
it's flat.
What
Okay.
type of
Proves it's
evidence?
not a ball.
Oke.
What type
Curvature, I
of
We're
just-
being misled. We're being deliberately
Apa
misled
buktinya?
by
Bukan.
mainstream
No,
media.
what's
Itu bukan
your
bukti.
evidence?
Buktinya
We
apa?
see too far. We see too far. We should not be able to see. I live in Dana Point.
Okay.
I can see San Clemente Island, which is 60 miles away.
So what? Ya kan?
So what?
Oh, I'm
Iya, so what? Bumi itu besar banget, guys. Bumi itu tadi kita ngukur pakai miles ya. Oke, maaf. Miles gini guys ya. 60 miles itu sekitar 90 km apa? 90 km. Sedangkan diameter bumi tahu nggak berapa? Orang-orang tuh lupa seberapa besar bumi ini gitu loh. Bumi itu besarnya diameternya 12.000 kilometer. 90 kilometer tuh nggak ada apa-apanya. Makanya dia bilang so what? Nggak ada apa-apanya dibanding 90 kilometer, 12.000 kilometer. Bayangin segede apa itu? 90 kilometer tuh nggak ada apa-apanya.
What do you mean, so what?
Oh, I'm
It's
on the
1100
beach. I'm
feet
on the
tall.
beach.
It is
What do you mean by
tall.
so what?
I'm on the
But-
beach.
Yeah, yeah.
Can you see a ship which is going?
We're
Oh
not
yeah,
talking
let's talk about the ship
Okay,
that goes
ships.
over the curvature
Okay.
of the Earth. I love
So-
that. So, science has said that when I see a ship go out of my field of view, it's going over the curvature of the Earth, correct?
Yes.
But then I bring my P900 up, and guess what? I can zoom it back in.
Not
So
all
is
of
it
though.
going over the curvature of the Earth or not?
Absolutely.
Oh, not all the
No, you
time.
can't.
Not all the
No,
time.
no, no,
Source
no,
trust me, bro.
the
Source
bottom
trust
part
me,
of the
bro.
ship
Let's
is
go.
hidden
Berani
by
beda.
the
At that
curvature.
distance, you shouldn't see the top
At
of it
all.
either.
If the Earth were truly
enggak.
flat, there would be really hardly any limit. You would be able to stand at the top of the Empire State Building and look towards Chicago, a mere 1,000 miles away, and see the lights of Chicago at night.
No,
Why
no,
wouldn't
because
you?
you have an atmospheric disturbance.
Very thick.
I've been
Water
into
alone.
astronomy since I was 10.
It's faulty logic. It's completely faulty logic.
Anjir aku gila cok, aku kira sumpah. Aku kira ini bakalan lebih gimana ya, exchange evidence gitu kan. Terus lebih apa ya, lebih scientific lah. Karena mereka self proclaim scientist kan. Mereka ini basically semuanya. Itu scientistnya bilang sendiri dia udah mendalami ini dari dia umur 10 tahun. Udah hampir seumur hidupnya kan. Dan ini terus cuma dibilangin karena itu doang dia dibilangin faulty logic. Hah? Dan yang masalah tadi kapal, dia bilang bawa kameranya terus dia masih bisa lihat. Ya iya, sekali lagi bumi itu gede, nggak segampang itu gitu loh. Kita nggak bisa ngeremehkan seberapa besar bumi ini, dan pada akhirnya kapal itu pasti hilang kan. Dan entah dia bohong atau apa, aku ya pasti dia bohong kan, masalah dia masih bisa ngelihat kapal yang ngejauh, karena nggak mungkin. Itu fakta gitu loh, dan ada rumusnya, ada sainsnya, ada fisikanya. Oke. Ini aduh gila sih. Terus dikatain faulty logic juga, padahal dia udah ada di bidang ini 50 tahun.
Okay.
Gila sih ini.
One of the big things I do is investigate extraordinary claims like flat eartherism or ESP or all sorts of different things. The Earth is undoubtedly a globe and not flat. This is well supported by gobs of science.
Ya. Dari 2500 tahun supported sama science. Oke.
Scientific consensus is possible.
What is the question?
I don't understand the question.
Scientific consensus is possible.
Possible. Anything is possible. I mean, anything is possible. I've got a tremendous issue with consensus and peer review. I've been spending a lot of time arguing with people that argue the other side. And I found that surprisingly, consensus always wins. It was shocking to me that the group with the majority has an incredible advantage.
Kan masalah itu nggak
As
sih?
scientists, flat
Self-proclaim,
earthers, truthers,
self-proclaim,
punks, we're at
self-proclaim.
an incredible disadvantage.
Let's talk about scientific consensus for a second. You're never going to get 100% of anyone. There is scientific consensus on a global Earth. There's scientific consensus on evolution. A lot of big
They use
issues.
the word theory.
Do you know what a theory in science is? An extremely
And a fact
Let
is
me-
a fact.
Don't mistake this word theory.
You are,
In
not me.
science. It's not conjecture. It's not.
It's an explanation.
No.
By definition, it's an explanation.
It's a deep.
Well, let's talk
So this
about a
is
fact.
something
Show me a
people
fact.
made a
then.
mistake.
Why
They
aren't
think
all
theory
facts
is-
theories?
In science, the word theory is the highest level that you can give something because it's so well supported.
What about a
Bukan
fact?
fact.
That is a fact. It's
Not a fact. You would call it a
You know why?
fact.
Do you know why? Because in
Nah,
science,
ini
there's
maksudnya.
always room for improvement. There's
Ah.
always room to find better,
Makanya-
to tweak and find better information.
Makanya mereka nggak, teori itu teori, fakta itu mereka nggak specifically teori itu fakta, karena itu emang benar. Cuma ada room for improvement gitu loh, yang dia bilang kan.
That is how science works.
It gets better refined over time, as opposed to
benar.
flat Earth theory, which never gets refined. It simply is.
Guys, there you go. Ketawa maniaknya keluar guys. Oke. Maniak ketawanya keluar. Got him.
What it is.
New ideas have limited access to media and limited exposure. Until we're in a university curriculum,
Nggak, jangan sampai plus.
we will continue to appear uneducated.
Emang
That's not true. In the history of science, we had many occasions that the ideas it was not welcomed by the society. Einstein was one of them.
Galileo.
Galileo was one of them. But if
Oh,
your
yeah,
theory
ini.
is an authentic one, and it can be go through
tuh Galileo pernah dihukum sama gereja Katolik karena bumi itu ngelilingi matahari, dan itu bertolak belakang sama apa yang mereka percaya, jadi ya gitu.
This hardship of scientific method eventually will win.
I used to believe that science was after the truth, right? We all just want to know what the truth is. Science has been trying so hard to divorce itself from the idea of a creator when God's intent was to create science to lead you to Him. You know, sometimes things seem supernatural that we are able to explain later through, science. Okay, I understand. But there are other things as well that are supernatural, that go beyond the natural, that we can only explain through believing in a creator, right?
This is my big issue with science, scientific approach and non-scientific approach. You are absolutely right. In science, we are after the truth. And we are hoping by each day we're getting closer and closer to the truth. We never get there. Never.
Well, I know that's true for you. And
No,
No,
bukan itu
that's the
poinnya.
science. That's you guys.
Iya, itu mereka kan, mereka ngerasa itu. Tar, kita dengar dari saintisnya dulu.
Do have the truth. Now let's look at the evidences. As you were mentioning, you do have the conclusion. Let's find the evidences. Science doesn't work that way.
That's not true. That is not
Well,
true.
you are saying
No.
you are referring to Jesus, whom many billions of people do not believe, including myself.
And many more billions do.
So what?
So who's right?
Of course, I can.
So the
When you say that we start with a conclusion and then try to match everything to make it work, like that to me is complete dishonesty. That is not true at all.
That is what you are doing
No,
right
you're
now.
not. You're making that assumption,
No,
which
it's
I
not
think
my
science does a
assumption.
lot of. So
Well,
do you make
I'm-
assumptions or
I'm-
not? Does
I
science make
don't know.
assumptions? Does science
No,
make
let me-
assumptions?
Yeah, we
course.
sure.
Okay.
We do
course.
make assumptions
But-
based on things that are well supported and
Bias.
proven and
No.
reproven.
Bias.
We don't have
Show
to.
me how you
Bias,
isolate
bias,
gravity.
bias.
If
No,
gravity
We
is
don't
an
have to-
assumption, you
No.
show me in the scientific method how you isolate gravity.
Ayo, gravitasi. Ya. Oke, agak memanas ya teman-teman ini.
How are you guys feeling? How's this discussion going?
I kind of feel like I want to develop some of this stuff a little bit more. It feels high level, but I feel like there's so much that I haven't really even touched base on.
Well, I mean,
You haven't seen my full power yet, bitch.
I certainly didn't think that anybody on either side was going to flip.
well, there's still time.
There's still time. I have hope for you, Wendell, and Shelley. I don't know about Dan. I have hope for you too. But it's certainly. I'm glad it's a civil discussion. Certainly.
Oh yeah.
Hey, one more side. Good. He flipped. Wendell, welcome aboard.
Welcome.
The greatest moment in television history, right there.
All right. NASA is trustworthy.
Oke. Gue percaya NASA. Ya. Kalian percaya NASA?
So, I mean, obviously, any organization can be wrong with certain things, and they may have individuals that lie or deceive or something. But as a general organization, they're looking for the truth.
Yeah, the idea that NASA and the government is lying to us about the shape of the Earth is the height of conspiracy
Benar sih,
theories.
itu sangat
In
konspirasi.
order for this to be true, the literally hundreds of thousands of people who at some point over the last 50 or 60 years would had to be somewhat complicit in this, and nobody spills the beans at all, is on the face of it completely unbelievable.
Iya sih, unbelievable sih. Sedangkan kayak kok emang ngatain NASA itu pembohong, berarti semuanya dong pembohong. Banyak banget berarti orang yang pembohong ya. Gila sih, pembohong semua, anjir, gila.
The private does not know what the general is doing. There's compartmentalization happening all the time.
Of course.
So it wouldn't be that far-fetched. Has the government ever lied to us is really the question at stake.
We all agree on that.
But now we have NASA.gov, right? And absolutely, they're not lying about anything. They're completely transparent. Everything is true. We'd be foolish to
There is
think
a
that's
difference
true.
here.
Iya, ada
I'm
bedanya
sorry,
kan.
the
Pemerintah sama NASA ya beda.
Not a fallacy.
I'm sure it is.
Go
See,
ahead.
you were talking about a government. Now you're talking about an agency of the
NASA.gov.
government. But this agency is scrutinized by thousands and thousands of scientists around the globe. You are dealing with smart people, believe me. You are
I
dealing
don't
with
deny-
smart people.
I don't deny that.
So it is very hard to do that. Once or twice, maybe. Not for the all time.
Makanya ya kan.
Raise your hand if you think we went to the moon.
What is the proof? Hundreds and hundreds of pounds of moon rocks and dust. And we have distributed those freely to PhD scientists around the world. And not one of those geologists have said, what is this?
Been
This is
proven to be
some-
fake.
And
Fake.
also
Yes.
and
Fake,
collected
fake,
on
fake.
the ice in
Fake.
Antarctica and
Yeah,
in the Arctic
Fake,
as well.
baby,
Those are
that's
collected. You don't have to
fake.
go to the moon to get moon rocks. As a matter of fact, all U.S. Air Force photography prior to 1958 shows a flat Earth. Only NASA shows
That's
a
not
sphere.
true.
That's
That is absolutely not true.
Jim. I wouldn't lie to you.
And the other
NASA's lying to you, my friend.
NASA's lying to you, my
Not myself.
friend.
we have a laser retroreflector on the moon.
Yeah.
That we're using now.
We still use to this day.
It's sitting there.
You can find to the inch how far away the moon
No
is.
pictures of home.
That only is
No
there.
picture.
By the way,
Nggak ada.
My question to you is,
Nggak ada. Kalau ada, fake.
why
Fake.
would all these honest, hardworking people perpetuate this massive
Makanya.
fraud? Why would they do this?
Ngapain? Mereka bohongin buat apa?
Okay, the benefit of it. They make $52 million a day. Follow the money.
No, the little
Follow
guy.
Kaya
the money.
banget
The
dong.
little guy.
That's what, then when you say all, okay,
But it didn't start out that way. And NASA was not founded to prove the Earth was a globe. It had nothing to do with the way they were
Yeah, kan?
well, if you
founded.
go and study
Are
the
you
whole-
sure?
Yeah, positive.
Really?
Yes.
Anjir, itu tadi yang siapa si Dan itu benar-benar berusaha buktikan banget kalau semuanya itu konspirasi tau. Kayaknya mindsetnya dia itu benar-benar semuanya konspirasi, bohong apa-apa. Itu gila sih, mind boggling banget sih itu. Mindsetnya dia, aduh, kacau sih.
He has to be a voice for reason, and somebody has to be a voice for truth. It would be a fantasy to believe that I would change anybody's mind from the other three. However, if there's somebody sitting on the fence, and this is the first introduction to this debate, perhaps they'll hear the reasonable voice and say, "Yeah, that makes more sense than having this pizza-shaped Earth."
I can put myself in the mindset of the other side.
I used to be a ball earther. Everything you say right now is completely what I used to agree to. So I completely understand where you're coming from.
For me, I think the correct way to do any kind of investigation or to examine things is by literally putting yourself in that mindset of the other person. So I do that. I disagree with your position, but I completely understand from your perspective what you're saying.
Oke. Saling memahami ya teman-teman.
The trouble I have understanding your perspective is, in the modern world, unless you live in a cave somewhere, you have to believe in science implicitly. I met a flat earther, a young woman who said, I don't trust anything that science does. And that's a problem because human beings can't replicate the whole body of science every single generation. At some point, you have to trust what's already been discovered and proven and move on to the next thing. Otherwise, we're not going to advance at all.
Yeah.
I mean, when you turn that key
Science tuh
ignition
diturunin
in
gitu
your
ya,
car, you
teman-teman.
expect the car to
Serahkan
start
ke
out.
And not blow up.
generasi yang
blow
lebih
up, because
muda seperti Naruto
science
dan
puts you in that
Boruto.
position.
Ya.
So it's really hard to understand how people would know in their hearts that science achieves wonderful things and then just jumping ship when it comes to this other issue.
Iya sih, kayak kan mereka dapat informasi itu dari HP, dari internet, dan itu semuanya dari sains ya kan. Kok bisa gitu loh mereka nggak percaya sama itu gitu. Tapi sedangkan sesuatu yang lainnya, ya kayak yang dia bilang sih, ya aneh gitu kan.
We're not drawing conclusions. We understand the mechanisms that made that car work. There is no theories and no disputed conclusions involved there. It's not a good analogy. Can I admit a great compromise that we have to experience being against the grain people? Is we have to literally sit in a group and decide whether or not we can afford to have an opinion, and that's tough.
I agree with you there because we're the same thing. I mean, I think skeptics go through this and atheists go through this. I don't believe in God. When I'm around religious people, I take a chance socially when I tell them I'm an atheist. So I know it takes some courage to follow your beliefs, and I appreciate that. But I think I've done a lot of research in that venue too. And it's not something I choose to believe in, it's something I have to believe in based on the evidence.
See, what I get from you guys is that seeing is believing.
Yeah.
So how come you believe in God or Jesus? You haven't seen
Ya.
neither of them, right?
I've seen evidence, though.
Nah,
Well,
itu.
exactly. So we are looking for evidence.
mencari
There
bukti.
are many other evidences
benar.
for Earth not being flat. My point is that these experiments clearly show that the Earth is globe. And you don't need to go outside
It's
the
a
globe to see it's
conclusion.
globe.
It's a
You told me you
theoretical-
want the evidence. If you're
That's
saying
not-
that you look only to see something, then I dispute your belief system in God and Jesus or Jehovah or Buddha or Zarathustra or anyone.
You keep going back to religion as being
Because
our
it's coming
conclusion.
from there.
No,
You think you do
no.
have the
I
truth.
have
You do.
evidence.
She just-
I have evidence.
You
for
quoted
what I
at the
know.
beginning
She
of
pointed
this.
out physics.
You
Iya kan?
quoted Bible.
Of
That's
course
the
I did, but
reason.
that is not the only reason I know what the shape of the earth is, and you keep,
Well-
that's fallacy.
It's not fallacy.
It is a
Actually, it
fallacy.
is not fallacy.
It is a fallacy.
You,
Oke, agak memanas ya
I'm
teman-teman.
a theoretical physicist. What I'm doing is the combination of string theory and cosmology. So we try to understand what happened during the Big Bang, after the Big Bang, or even before the Big Bang.
What are you hoping to get from the discussion today?
Well, I hope I would be able, particularly to the young generation, to convince them that first, they should think critically and don't believe anything. They shouldn't take anything for granted. Look at the evidences and examine those evidences. And throw away those claims that are not evidence-based.
Benar. Jadi apa ya? Banyak gitu ya bukti kalau bumi itu bulat, tapi mereka tuh nggak mau ngelihat bukti-bukti yang itu gitu. Mereka cuma patokannya cuma bukti yang mereka lihat gitu kan. Banyak bukti yang lain. Kenapa? Coba ya udah lihat dulu gitu loh buktinya ya. Poinnya dia tuh gitu. Tapi sekali lagi ignoran kan, ya kan? Ya nggak?
Science, not to put it down, but when you're talking about rocket science, this is very difficult for the majority of people to understand, and it's designed that way.
Bukan rocket science
And so,
by
in
the
a
way.
lot of ways, hiding behind rocket science is similar to religion. If you look at the Catholic Church back in the days, only we can interpret the Bible. You have to listen to what we say. So in a lot of ways, we're getting that same notion from science that
Okay,
says
understandable.
only we can interpret what these numbers are. You just need to trust us.
Bukan,
But
nggak
then when we
seperti itu.
actually do go and test some of their equations and they don't work,
Bukan
does that beg the question for us to go and test it ourselves? Absolutely.
bukan itu sih, kayak masalahnya tesnya mereka itu nggak evidence based gitu loh. Kayak tesnya mereka tuh sesimpel tesnya anak SD gitu loh, oke? SMP gitu tesnya mereka, kayak cuma ngeliat ini ya kan, kayak seeing is believing kayak yang dia bilang tadi itu kan. Basically itu apa trialsnya mereka, sedangkan lebih dari itu gitu loh untuk tahu itu. Sedangkan untuk tahu itu manusia itu butuh ribuan tahun kan untuk mempelajari itu, nggak sesimpel melihat gitu kan. Itu loh maksudnya, kayak bedanya itu bukan berarti kita orang-orang itu ngekontrol atau apa seperti konspirasi itu, enggak gitu loh.
I would say, one great
And for us to go and test it ourselves, absolutely.
I would say, one great thing about science is its predictability. Let's for a short moment, assume that your model, this flat Earth model, is correct. I don't know, what does it buy for us? What does it predict for us? So my question for you guys would be, next time, bring me something from your theory, your model, that you can predict something which the globe Earth model cannot predict. Then I would change
Yeah,
my
but-
mind.
I would just say that don't believe anything that I've said. You got to do your own research. And I think what you'll find is that you'll see that a puzzle piece doesn't fit. And the only way you're going to do that is if you put your own eyeballs on it.
I don't blame people for being skeptical. I'm
fair enough.
skeptical about a lot of different things. I applaud that instinct in you. But you have to go beyond just not believing in something. Ask the hard questions. Ask what qualifies a YouTuber, a book author, anywhere else you're getting this information. What qualifies them to make wide-ranging comments about the shape of the earth? Look, anybody who can overturn Einstein or some major theory
Ya kan?
is going to be eventually written in the halls of science for the rest of their lives. But they have to come up with the goods. They have to show good science-based evidence that what they say is true, and they have to withstand the test of time and peer review and the rigors of the scientific method.
Kayak itu benar sih tadi. Kalau emang mau buktikan bumi itu datar, silakan buktikan dengan science method, dengan metode apa sendiri. Silakan buktikan Einstein itu salah, overthrow Einstein gimana dengan proses yang Anda punya, oke? Nggak ada yang ngelarang kan? Ya udah, silakan buktikan. Cuma ya good luck kan.
All right. Thank you. I'm all sweat.
Ollie, it was nice to meet you.
Almost neighbor.
Very nice to meet you.
Good seeing you. Hey, I want to get you a copy of my novel. Oh, sure. And,
Hey, good job to you.
Oke, ini udah selesai guys. Endingnya kayak gitu ya. Cuma nggak seperti yang kukira sih. Kukira lebih kayak saling nunjukin bukti, lebih ke evidence based discussion gitu. Ternyata sama aja sih. Basically ya semua discussion tentang flat earth itu kayak gitu sih. Antara dia bilangin globe earth itu bohong, antara dia buktiin sesuatu yang nggak evidence based gitu. Ya gitu sih, selalu kayak gitu. Maksudnya banyak banget gitu loh, hal yang nggak masuk akal di modelnya flat earth ini. Karena contohnya aja, gimana cara ngejelasin eclipse di flat earth, ya kan? Kalau buminya datar gitu, gimana ngejelasin eclipse ini? Bagaimana kan? Masalah musim juga kan, masalah kenapa kita bisa ngelihat bintang yang berbeda gitu, banyak banget gitu yang nggak bisa dijelasin di model flat earth ini, dan itu nggak masuk akal. Dan argumen mereka selalu kayak gitu, antara bohong, antara kita udah dibohongi, antara ya gitu, banyak banget buktinya mereka itu nggak evidence based gitu loh, nggak bisa di apply di dunia nyata, dan itu agak mind boggling sih ya. Dan ya, bagaimana menurut kalian? Apakah bumi itu datar atau bulat? Apakah Anda smart people atau not smart people? Tulis di kolom komentar. Makasih yang udah nonton. Peace out dulu. Sangat fun video ini, sangat entertaining. Thank you semuanya. Peace out. Much love. Stay tune.